Hey guys, I'm Ashley. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing this fake freckles makeup look. I used to do this like a few summers back. I would just kind of randomly draw some on my face just because I didn't really wear much makeup in the summertime. I don't really wear much makeup in the summertime, but anyways, so yeah, I figured I'd do this look. I don't know if you guys can see that, but just some fake freckles. Anyways, if you guys want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with my eyes, and I am going in with the Too Faced Natural Matte Palette. So I'm going in with the shade Cashmere Bunny. And I'm just working it into my crease. For my lid, I'm going in with Honey Butter. Now I'm just taking Cashmere Bunny on my brush again, and I'm just making sure everything is blended out. For my lower lash line, I'm taking Chocolate Cookie. Okay, so for eyeliner, I'm just going in with the Milani Stay Put Matte Liquid Liner. Okay, now I'm just gonna put on some mascara on my lashes. I never put mascara on my bottom lashes. Well, I do sometimes, but I always make a huge mess whenever I do it. Or like throughout the day, like I'll just have like black under here. I don't know. It's just really annoying though. Okay, so that's everything for my eyes. So now I'm going to go in with, so for the fake freckles, I'm going to use this, it's L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer, and it's just like, it's an eyebrow pencil, and I feel like it'd be perfect for this. It has a really fine tip to it, so. But anyways, how I'm going to do this is I'm basically just gonna take this and just dab it like just randomly, like on my cheeks here, and then a little bit on my nose and throughout here, just mostly where like the sun would hit your face naturally. So yeah. Okay, I think I pushed a little too hard there. It's like gone. So this is pretty much trash. So I think I want to go in, make it a little bit more. So I'm going to take my dip brow pomade and this really fine tip brush, and I'm just going into it a little bit. And I'm just going to be dotting that onto my face. It's okay if they look pretty dark because I'm going to take the damn beauty blender and dab that out when we're done. I'm going to take this translucent powder and press over them with it. So I keep going back and forth on adding a few more in and blending it all out and then adding a little more. I'm gonna go in with contouring, well, bronzer, and I'm just gonna go in with the shade Angle. Okay, for blush, I'm going in with the Bare Minerals Ready Blush in the shade The Love Letter. Okay, for highlight, I'm going in with the shade Sunburst from the Anastasia Glow Kit. Okay, so for lips, I'm going in with the shade Amazonian and Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick. Okay, so for setting spray, I'm using, of course, the Hangover 3-in-1 because you want to make sure that your freckles stay. Alright guys, this is the final look of my fake freckles makeup tutorial. I like how it turned out. I think it turned out pretty good for fake freckles, and considering all the products that I ended up using, which I only really planned on using this, but then that broke. I mean, I've had this for a while anyway, so it was almost gone, but then I just ended up breaking it. So anyways, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.